Welcome to our guide on how to sell your textbooks online through your official online bookstore. In this video, we'll show you how to easily get a quote and ship your books to us for free. To begin, visit your online bookstore and select Sell from the drop-down menu. Your online bookstore menu may look a little different. Just look for the option that allows you to sell textbooks. Enter the ISBNs of the books you wish to sell. An ISBN is a unique 13-digit code located on the lower portion of the back cover of a book above the barcode and on the copyright page. You can enter up to 8 books at a time. Once you've entered all the ISBNs, select Get Quote. You'll receive a quote for each book. To sell a book, select the Sell This Book box, then select Sell This Book or Sell These Books. Review your buyback cart carefully, then select Sell This Book or Sell These Books to proceed. If you have an account, sign in. If not, select Create Account to continue. Place the packing slip inside your package with the books you are selling and affix the UPS label to the outside. Drop off your package to the UPS store of your choice. You will receive email updates regarding the receipt of your books and payment processing as they are available. And that's it. You successfully sold your textbooks online. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, visit your Online Bookstore Help Desk.